Liquidity. Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you? Welcome to the stream. Let's see who's in. Hello, Mr. Panda. Hi, Nick. Hi, HM. Good morning, everyone. Hope all of you are good. Okay, let's wait for a couple more seconds for more people to join in, and then we can start. Hi, Sarah. Welcome to the stream. Okay, let's go. I'll start with the gold today. Let's see what the gold is doing. All right, okay, we are on this daily chart. Since we have this massive reaction here, we haven't done much actually. We are, obviously this is a very, very big range for the gold. That is about 5, 6, and that is for about $1,600 range. So what I'm looking at is at least to bounce till here, because we came down, sweep this fair value gap here, and we start bouncing off here. So let's see if we go about there to this fair value gap. And if we go to 4 hourly, we got these back-to-back fair value gaps. And if we measure these back-to-back fair value gaps from here, you see how nicely we start here. That's 250 and 200%, and then above here is 400%. So that's what I'm watching, and we created this fair value gap here. Price came back, just tapped into it, and then start bouncing off. And if we go to 1 hour, after sweeping this low over here, they had a nice inversion and retested, and then we start going up. So I mean, short term looks bullish to me. I mean, shorter term till we hold this, and if we start inverting these fair value gaps below on 4 hour and 1 hour, and then we start looking at the low prices. Yeah, longer term, I have till we invert all this fair value gap here. I'm looking this monthly FVG here, and this swing low is my drawn liquidity. So I'll watch when the price reaches to this FVG and see how it reacts. Till then, obviously we can scalp here, take some scalp trades, but nothing exciting for me in the gold, So yeah, but you can trade some, short-term swings. Short-term scalps on it. If we go on more lower time frame, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, look, Asia swapped yesterday's low. After that, we have an inversion about this order block, and then the responsible to sweep all that price. Okay, I just take this, the whole part, and how the price is reacting every time it's coming back to this order blocks. So for gold, I have nothing much interested in that. Let's jump to our favorite, ES, Nasdaq, and YM, Dow Jones. We go here. That's YM, Dow Jones. We hit all-time highs and above all-time highs on all 2 different assets in ES and NQ, but YM still lacking behind, you know. So I'm looking, this is drawn liquidity for me for YM. Every time YM came back, retested any internal sort of liquidity, sorry. Okay, yeah, here, look at that, every single time it came down, bouncing off. Every time, every single time, came here, we look at the reaction. Okay, here, so the structure is not shift, still bullish. I know we've been running for last 6 weeks, but I mean, we can run for another 6 weeks, you know, so that's how the market works, you know, so we don't know till we start change in the shift, right? So like, you know, higher highs, high lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, you know, we have to see a change in the structure shift, only then we can look for any shorts or anything. Till then, bullish, you know, till the market just running, we have to go with the, you know, the trend. So I'm looking for this all-time high. And other day I was looking at the charts, and maybe we see some correction when we hit on YM, so some sort of into IRL. So when we hit on YM, then probably we see a little bit of correction, little bit of pullback before the next leg up on all 3 assets. So this is YM, ES exactly the same. Probably, obviously, we are creating new all-time high every day, every week, back to back. I'm bullish, very, very bullish. You know, you look at weekly, we are on the 6th week now. I mean, every single time we closing above the previous week. So till we keep closing above the previous week's high, we are bullish. We need to see something, you know, some bearish action before we, you know, start looking to the shorts. Okay, let's jump on Nasdaq NQ. Right, okay. NFP came, nice push, not expected. I wasn't expecting that push, very tiny push for NFP. I mean, how many points we had from here to here, the 85 points. No, I mean, NFP, you get about a couple of 100 points. So we swap previous day high and start coming down now. So if we go on smaller time frame here, let's start here. On 4 hour and 1 hour, we have this FVG. That's what I'm looking at. And I was noticed the very tiny FVG on 4 hour, but there is a one. This one is very, very tiny. If you see this gap, very tiny. And I was marking acceleration gap of AG on A, and then we got target about this, you know, the gray box I've drew. So if we come back, I mean, maybe sweep this FVGs, come back and start going up, then probably this is going to be the target for the intraday. Yeah, we're coming back to this one. So let's see how the market opens and how it reacts. And we take it from there. Not a very good reaction, actually. After sweeping this previous day high, all the price action of NFP is inverted, you know. So we see how if the price at the open push up, come back to these areas again, especially this bearish FVG, and how the price reacts. And if we go down and sweep some of these equal lows and this liquidity, all that, and see how that maybe 2-day open on London Q1 and see how the price reacts. And on based of that, we'll take our action. And we got 2 minutes. Anybody have any questions? Please feel free to shoot out your questions. Hi, Paul. You okay? Is anybody traded this morning, London? Any trades? Pre-markets? Anybody in the trade right now? We got 1 minute and 15 seconds to market open. I got rid of this. Yeah, Discord is free. Yeah, guys who haven't joined our Discord, most welcome to join our Discord. It's completely free. Lot of valuable stuff there: education, lessons, live trading, giveaways, and discount codes for the prop firms. Got a little BPR here. Okay, right. Okay, 1 minute. Let's see. Friday, NFP day. I mean, who's thinking we're gonna get a TGIF today? Oh, the TGIF man wasn't long. Got stopped already. All right, waiting for some. Okay, yeah, I wasn't long as well. So I took a 1 TP and then I got a stop out. That was my trade here. I took a 1 TP and then stopped out on break even. You know what I mean? So let's see what we got here. That shot, yes, TGIF man, TGIF please. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, let me put my drawings for the TGIF, so it's gonna be easy. I'll keep it handy. So, okay, what we're looking for, like here. Right, okay, these are the drawings for the TGIF. Oh, actually, this fair value gap falls exactly on this one. Okay. Right. We have to wait. Okay. All this liquidity is gone. We'll see how the market reacts when we come back here or over here. I'll be more interesting to see what happens when we get in this part, all this part. $15-minute FVG on this one, yeah. But still, we got 13 minutes to involve this one though. Yeah, it's bullish, quite bullish, but I still want to wait for it's very bullish opening. Let's say I want to wait for 5 minutes, first 5 minutes candle closer, and then we see. I don't want to jump into a trade straight away. Let's see if we create a fair value gap here, leaving a fair value gap. Come on, give me a retest. What would be ideal is if give me a retest of this, came back, do something CISD here, and then we can frame along probably to that gray box I was talking about, on over here. So that is what, 29,000 till 29,175 in that area. That is 400 and 450% of 4-hour FVGs, back-to-back FVGs. Right, we left a one fair value gap. Is this any fair value gap here as well? Yeah, very tiny, but there is a fair value gap. I still want to wait. Let's see what these doing. 15 minutes. YM is dumping, ES doing nothing, and NQ is pumping. If it won't give me any retest, I won't go in, because I mean, if it's gonna go without me, let it go. But I need a better risk to reward. I can't put any stop, maybe here or below here, and the entry is something like this. From here, the stop loss is going to be what, 70, 80 points. Nah, I won't go. Yeah, 100%, 29K plus 29K, and then according to these acceleration gap, maybe 120 to 180, 29,180. And how the market is so bullish, we're going to hit a 30K. That's a like psychological number today, you know what I mean? 30K today, 30K. And it's not too far, so another 1,000 points. Is anyone in the trade? Anybody went long? I didn't. I have to wait. I mean, I can't enter in, with the 80 point, 90 point stop loss, HM, you went long? I'm sure you 100%. 5 minis straight. Nah, you're still waiting. You're still waiting for that pullback, or... This is very nice candle. Let's see if we got a CISD on 15 minutes over here. But still 9 minutes to go for 15-minute candle. And price is losing the momentum now. Let's see. Need more confirmation. That's the thing, when we are all-time highs, it's really, really hard to get into a long before some sort of IR, maybe a pullback, maybe a extra confluence, you can't blindly jump in and buy at all-time highs. I need to see the price come back and still react bullish from this FVG, or maybe we go another FVG here, this tiny one, and we can plan something from these FVGs. Till then, nothing. Yeah, we got this one on previous day high. Exactly. Who's in the trade? Waiting for the reaction. Okay. No. Nobody's in the trade. Oh, you wanted short. Yeah. I know it's short is hard, we've been playing and framing shots from last few weeks, and it's never happening. And I'm so fed up with all these shorts. Till I say maybe a day or a couple of days bearish price action and some sort of retracement, and then we see some like bearish footprints. Till then, bullish, See what, okay. Yeah, same. Look at YM. YM is dumping. YM is dumping. NQ. I seen NQ is always opposite to these two, at least YM, you know. So gold is, yeah, sweeping all these highs here. Look at this weekly candle. There is no wick on it. This is the weekly candle. There is no wick on it. How massive this weekly candle is. How many points we did this week? 1,375 points. Wow. Okay, let's see what happens now. We swap this one here. If we get clear displacement, or I'll be happy to take a ILM, and I'm just waiting for ILM to play. No fair value gap, no, only this one, and then we got this one here, tiny one, and this is the massive one. Okay, ES start going down, YM is dumping like a stone, man. So, okay, get rid of this, get rid of this. 100% ILM power. Everything is nuking except NQ. There we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on. Give me some bearish price action. That's the thing, guys. You know, I can't jump into the trade straight away when the market opens. So after 5 minutes, I need to patiently 10-15 minutes sit down, watch the price action, how it, I mean, you know, the first 15-20 minutes are probably like 10 till 10 a.m. You know, I normally watch it, and after that I'll see, okay, how, you know, most of the time the first 15-20 minutes, half an hour, we always got like fake moves, and the real move only starts after that, you know. So it's better to wait and watch, you know. A lot of people when jump in and see this big green bullish price action candle, the jump in straight way, oh yeah, long to the moon, you know, and then, you know, that's how you blow your accounts. I mean, come on. Why would some, yeah, people buy like 70-80 points, 100 points stop, you know. Anybody trading gold recently? Anybody trading gold these days? Okay, let's see if this candle close over here. We can take a small risk, keeping the stop loss here. Let's see how YM is doing. We came back to this fair value gap, reacted nicely. We need a closer of this candle above this level. Yeah, we got that. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump into a small trade here. Only 2 contracts long. So I'm gonna put my stop loss below this. Okay, yes. targeting 2 hour. Okay, I'll put here for now. Sell limit 2. Let's see how it works. Anybody in the trade? Guys, every time when you enter a trade or copy my trades, make sure you follow risk management. I'm not sure what account size you'll be trading, what's your risk is. So always make sure you follow proper risk management. Okay, Paul, you're looking for gold, yeah? No NQ. You fed it from NQ, isn't it? We don't want to trade NQ anymore. Okay, let's see. This price is okay. Finally, we got some push. Come on, come on, come on. Guys, you can take a profit whenever you want and feel happy, you know. I'll be holding, so I'll take profit accordingly when I want. So let's go, let's go, let's go. We got a nice push. Let's see what ES is doing. YAM is still dumping. Okay. We got really good reaction, you know. I mean, so I got 200. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sell one because that's on multiple accounts. I got 220, sell one. That is copied to 10 accounts, so I don't want to risk it on Apex. So I have closed, cancel that order, cancel this order as well. So I have booked one, and I'm gonna put my stop loss now below this candle, move my stop loss too. So we have no risk and booked half. Good trade. That is a really nice reaction we were looking for, you know. And now I can hold this trade. 2 hour, yes, good man, good. Acham, good man. There we go. Okay, so I need to find that. Yeah, see this box that I was talking about, the gray, you know, how we get in there. I'll be, you know, cautious when we hit into this. I won't close straight away, but I'll manage my position when we get to here, you know. So that is like I told you, back-to-back fair value gap, 4 hour fair value gaps. Guys, if you took the trade, can you type 1 or just give me WW? If you took the trade with me, you know, just type W, please. Come on, give me some dubs. 29011. Oh, you sat on 29011. Oh, you good. All right, Gomez, Dominus. Okay, good. I'm happy you guys took that trade. You know, we took a half out, and then obviously we are risk free now. You know, what I mean, but as I said before, I'm gonna say again, manage your position. Trail A. If you're happy with the profits, you can take the profits all out, you know, and just completely out of the market, you know. So it's up to you how you want to do it, or you want to, you know, just wanna hold it. You can just carry holding it. No problem, man. No problem. What is his name? Dejan. Yeah, no worries. I'm happy you took the trade. Okay, now I'm little cautious here because just gotta look at this weekly candle here. We have no wick. We coming to the targets now, and it's Friday, so it's can be a manipulation. All this price looks really bullish. Look at that 15 minutes. That's amazing. Very beautiful candle. And probably gonna create back-to-back fair value gaps, and you can but again, managing my position very aggressively, So yeah, we don't have any risk left anyways on this position, but it's up to you. We hit that gray box here. Yes. Look at this price now. So what I'm going to do is I don't want to lose all the profits I made on 10 accounts. 10 accounts, that is like three grand, you know what I mean? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my stop loss. This is massive FVG. We don't have any FVGs here. Probably I'm going to get stop out if I move over here because there's nothing here to move for. So what I'm going to do is I see if we got anything on 30-second. We got this fair value gap here. What I'm going to do is I hit already 2R, so I'm going to close my position. I hit the target. It's right. Okay, see the price. We enter here. Our stop loss was here, and we hit what 2.3R. Good trade. Is anybody still in the trade? Yeah, Paul's still looking for TGIF. I'll be happy. I'll be happy to take another trade if TGIF comes, Anyways, I'm not in the trade. I booked 2.2R on this in our quick trade. Happy days, Don't never give back to the market, Yeah, if you took a trade that sets your all strategy according to your strategy, all the rules are ticked, and you go stop out, that's a different thing. But when you are into a winning position, you should manage it nicely. You shouldn't be giving all it back to the market, Zach is still in, yeah. Z is still in, yeah. Make sure you manage it nicely. Don't give it back, Z. Don't give it back to you. What gonna be nice is probably what I'm looking. I closed it because obviously it's Apex. Apex have very hard rules. So this FVG is great. Probably what gonna happen is price gonna come back, react nicely, and go up again. If you go up, maybe I can take another trade with a stop loss here somewhere, but I'll see, wait and watch. Right, no positions open, close. Okay. I'm trailing. Good, man. Good. You're trailing on what? 1 minute, 5 minutes. Sometimes I do. I trail on each 5 minute candle, just below low of each 5 minutes candle, But these candles are massive. 5 minute candles, man. What? 76 points, 5 minute candle. 30 seconds. Wow. 30 seconds, man. 30 seconds. Good. Keep managing it. Nice reaction, It's really good. Probably gonna go much more or higher, Very nice reaction. If you holding it, make sure you manage it nicely. And I think we're gonna finish the stream early today. We had a quick win, in and out. Happy days, happy week. If anyone have any questions, please do ask me. Anyone have any questions about the trade, about the Discord, or any journal question, I'm happy to answer all these questions. If you don't have any questions, I'm happy to end the stream here and call it a day. I give a couple more seconds if anyone have any questions. Yeah. All right, guys, it's been nice stream, amazing stream. Thank you for joining, and you guys have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next weekend. Thank you, everyone.